Today our topic is bites and stings. What is meant by bites and stings? Most animals will not turn aggressive unless provoked. Staying away from these wild animals could prevent many unnecessary injuries. These stings and bites occurs through animals or any flies or any insects and snake bites and dog bites and through any sea features. These stings and bites will occur. It is only wise be equipped with a first aid kit when involved in outdoor activities. Before attempting a rescue, ensure personal safety before approaching a victim that is under attack. Always call 995 for assistance if you are unable to handle the situation alone in home or any other in some places you cannot handle that situation. You must call help 995. First we going to discuss about animal bites. Animals with sharp teeth can cause deep puncture wounds and carry germs deep into the tissues and result in an deep puncture wounds and carry germs deep into the tissues and result in an infection. If a dog bite that may infect into the tissues and result a deep puncture wounds because animals with sharp teeth. Any bite that breaks the skin can cause the victim to become very vulnerable to infection. If an insect bite or animal bite, it breaks the skin and cause the injury and it result bleeding. Dog bites. Canines are born with teeth to hunt and an instinct that commands is to bite whatever targets it considers as prey. Prey means Prey means food. These instincts could result in very severe injuries to the victim. Dogs are generally very protective over food territory and when threatened they will attack to protect them. In dogs they used to whatever targets it considers as prey and they harm that fellows. And next one, prevention. How to prevent dog bite. Avoid attracting a dog to you with food or sound. Do not approach a dog when it is nursing its puppies. Avoid attracting a dog to you with food or sound. Never force a dog into a corner or threaten it for the fun of it. Treat every dog you do not know with caution. Do not throw objects or provoke animals. Do not intrude into their territory. To prevent ourselves, we must follow these all conditions. Avoid attracting a dog to you with food or sound. And next one, treatment. Treatment for animal bites. How to treat animal bites? Control bleeding by applying direct pressure and raising the injured part. If the dog bite into your skin, there may be severe bleeding is there. In that time we must apply pressure into the injured part to control the bleeding. And next, the cover the wound with sterile dressing or a non fluffy clean pad bandage in place to control bleeding. We must apply pressure through cotton pad or sterile dressing clean pad. Arrange to take or send the casualty to hospital. If severe bleeding, we must a person send them to hospital. And next, if superficial wounds means underlying the skin. Wash the wound thoroughly with soap and warm water in order to minimize the risk of infection. In order to decrease or reduce the infection, we must clean the wound with soap or warm water. And next, clean gauze swabs we must use, and also dressing or small sterile dressing we must done. And next, advise the casualty to see a doctor in case vaccination is needed. If vaccination is needed, we must go through it. Vaccination for animal bites are rabies. It's for viral infection of the nervous system spread in the saliva of infected animals. And next, hepatitis B or C viruses. Okay. And next, insect stings. Insect stings means bee, wasp, hornet. Stings usually are painful rather than dangerous. These stings are very painful. Other than ants, houseflies, mosquitoes, these are very small but painful but very small, and these are not dangerous. But these stings, bee, wasp, hornet stings, these are painful rather than dangerous. An initial sharp pain is followed by mild swelling, soreness. First aid can relieve. The These insect bites, if insect bite, the person may feel mild swelling, soreness, and fever slightly. It may be relieved for some time. The next one, what are the treatment for insect stings? Reassure the casualty, apply constant firm pressure, scrape or brush the sting off with your fingernail or blunt edge of an object. Tweezers are not recommended as it may squeeze the venom sac, thus increases the venom released. Okay, if the insect sting in the skin, we must apply pressure and we use scrape or brush to sting off with your fingernail or blunt edge of an object. Do not use tweezers, just only use scrape or brush. If the person may need a casualty, immediately go through the hospital. Treatment for insect stings are, if stung on the fingers or hands, remove any rings and watches in case of swelling. In case of swelling, we must remove the fingers, nails, remove any rings in the fingers and watches we must remove. Wrap a few ice cubes in a towel and apply on the area. In which area the insect sting will be there, in that area we must keep ice pack 10 to 15 minutes to stop the pain and swelling. Do not apply ice directly to prevent frostbite. In one cloth, you wrap the ice cubes and you keep in the injured site. Advise the casualty to see his doctor if the pain and swelling persist. And next one, symptoms. Symptoms of bee stings are red, swollen, warm lump, hives, rash, itching, tingling, numbness, burning, tenderness, pain. Serious allergic reactions occur when symptoms spread. These can include difficulty in breathing, dizziness, and nausea, diarrhea, fever, muscle spasms, or loss of consciousness. Call for emergency medical help right away. Okay, these are the symptoms: redness, swollen, rashes, itching, burning, numbness, tenderness, pain, and some allergic anaphylactic reactions. Safety precautions against insect bites or stings are: avoid other people as they too may come under attack. Bees may pursue for up to 400 meters. And next one, stay away once you notice a bee colony, do not provoke it. Next one, injuries by marine creatures. Marine creatures. What is marine creatures? Under marine creatures we go jellyfish sting and sea urchin sting and cone-shaped shells. These are all under marine creatures. Dangerous sea creatures. In sea creatures, jellyfish sting, sea urchin sting, cone-shaped shells. Jellyfish stings occur when people brush against it in the water, step on those washed ashore. When these occur, the effects of jellyfish sting vary from minor local reactions to large wheals, severe pain, and sometimes may also cause death. Because it can release venom. Sea urchins. What is meant by sea urchins? These are the some of the fishes uh, stay in water subtropical marine regions. It is found in tropical and subtropical marine regions. Spines of the sea urchins deliver their venom. If the sting can causes severe burning pain, swelling, bleeding, itching, nausea, muscle weakness, and difficulty breathing. Symptoms can develop immediately. Last 6 hours. Last up to 6 hours. The symptoms may develop last up to 6 hours. Deep puncture wounds may be seen after a sting. And next one, what are the treatment? A paste of sodium bicarbonate in water. Seek medical aid urgently if symptoms are severe. If symptoms are severe, because swelling, bleeding, and difficulty in breathing, these may cause uh, loss of loss of breath. So may leads to death. That's why we must seek medical aid urgently if symptoms are severe. Sting of Portuguese man of war. This is also very much dangerous fish. Portuguese man of war. Subtropical, may found in subtropical and tropical marine regions. Treatment for marine stings are dry powder, dust skin powder apply over the injuring site. And next, treatment for marine puncture wounds. Gently pull out any protruding spines. Do not crush the spines. Soak the affected area into hot water for 30 to 90 minutes to ease pain. If pain returns later, try the heat soaks again. If you have some pain related to the redness and swelling, may use hot pack for 30 to 90 minutes. We must keep hot water and pour in one bucket. We must use that hot water for marine puncture wounds 30 to 90 minutes to ease pain. And next one, snake bites. What is snake bites? Snake bites, do you know snake bites? Main signs and symptoms of snake bites are swelling, skin becomes dark purple. Generally the puncture marks of the fangs can be seen. Systemic effects are weakness, faintness, rapid weak pulse, shortness of breath, blurring of vision, nausea, vomiting, unconsciousness. Weakness, faintness, rapid weak pulse, shortness of breath, blurring of vision, nausea and vomiting, and unconsciousness. First aid. Keep the patient flat and quiet. Tie a consisting band firmly around the limb just above the bite to prevent the return flow of blood. First, we keep the patient flat and quiet. Tie a constricting band around that limb. Loosen band if swelling occurs. Loosen band to for avoid too much constriction. A snake bite is often not a serious injury, but it can be very frightening. Next one, how to recognize a snake bite. Puncture marks will be there, pair of puncture marks, severe pain at the site of the bite, redness, swelling around the bite, nausea, vomiting, difficulty breathing, disturbed vision, increased salivation, and sweating. This will be caused when the person suffered with these signs and symptoms. We must recognize it is a snake bite. Difficulty in breathing and the sign of two pair of puncture marks, severe pain, redness, swelling, nausea, vomiting, disturbed vision, increased salivation and swelling, sweating, we must recognize a snake bite. Treatment for snake bites are: lightly compress the limb over the wound with a roller bandage. Use triangular bandages to immobilize the affected area to minimize the spread of venom. In order to avoid the spread of venom to all bloodstream and body parts, we must tie with the triangular bandages to immobilize the affected area. Lightly compress that site. Position the injured limb below the level of the heart if she stops breathing. Be ready to resuscitate if needed. If the person may stops breathing, be ready to resuscitate if needed. Resuscitate means cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. We must do CPR, 30 compressions and 2 breaths. If there is eye irritation, rinse the eye under gently cooling water for at least 15 minutes. Prevent run of water from entering the unaffected eye. And next one, treatment for snake bites. Keep the heart above the level of wounded part. Broad fold bandage, soft padding. You see here, keep the heart above the level of wounded part. Lightly compress with roller bandage. Leave bite exposed. And next one, safety precautions. Do not try and chase, provoke, catch or beat up the snake. These are all safety precautions from snake bites. Move away if you spot a snake. Okay. In bites and stings, we learn snake bites, marine stings. In marine stings, sea urchins, jellyfish. These are all under marine stings. And insect bites and insect stings, animal bites. We see treatment and all, dog bites, animal bites. Okay, these are all bites and stings. The main signs and symptoms are pain, rapid and severe swelling. Skin becomes dark purple. And in case of snake bites, puncturing marks of the pairs of marks will be seen. This is about snake bite. These are all about bites and stings. We see signs and symptoms and treatment and how to manage. And in next class we see burns. Thank you.